Hi. If you are at that age where you're having trouble with your lipstick or your lip gloss seeping into your vertical lip lines, I have a neat little trick for you. You can use brow wax to create a barrier between your lip and the skin above it so that you can wear any color lipstick and even gooey lip gloss and it will not migrate into those lines. So we get these lines from age, and also from pursing our lips, whether you smoke, use a straw, or you hold tension in your mouth. And we can also get them from sleeping on our side. So I'm pretty sure that's how I got mine, just smushing up my face, sleeping at night. And it's just life. So, but I like to wear lipstick and I like to wear colors. I don't want to feel like I have to toss the gloss or stick to nude colors just because I'm in my 50s. So I buy this brow wax pencil from Sally Beauty, and it's by Femme Couture, and it's called the Perfect Arch Brow Wax. And all I do is I draw a line right outside my lip line. So you don't want to put it on your lips or your lipstick won't stick there. So I'm gonna draw that line. I'm not used to putting makeup on the camera yet, but I'll do my best. And it's clear and it stays put. So you can probably use any brow wax as long as the consistency is firm enough to stay put and not melt all over the place. I've been doing this for years and it works. I just reapply it. Whenever I reapply my lipstick, I reapply the brow wax. So I'm gonna put on a really gooey, glossy lip color. And this is Black Cherry from Seint. So let's see how this goes. Actually, I'm gonna use my mirror here. So hopefully you can tell it's gooey and glossy, but it's not gonna go anywhere. That brow wax is gonna keep it in place. So let me know if you try this trick, and I hope it works for you. Have a great day. Bye-bye. And there you go. And this color is called Ruby, and it's pretty bright. And you can see that I didn't use a lip liner. I don't need a lip liner. My color is not going to migrate in my lines or go beyond that border I created with the brow wax. Let me know what you think. Bye-bye. Have a good day.